Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So, in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to buy an Amazon gift card for someone else. This is a perfect solution when you want to give someone the freedom to choose their own gift, and Amazon makes the process incredibly simple and convenient. Whether you're shopping for a birthday, holiday, graduation, anniversary, or just want to surprise someone, an Amazon gift card lets the recipient pick exactly what they want. First, open your web browser and navigate to Amazon.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your account. Be sure you're signed into the correct Amazon account that you'll be using to complete the purchase. After you're signed in, direct your attention to the search bar at the top of the page. Click on it and type Amazon gift card, then hit enter to start the search. This will bring up all the gift card options Amazon offers. From the search results, click on Amazon gift card. This takes you to the main gift card page, where you'll find a variety of customization options to make your gift more personal and meaningful. Amazon offers several styles, so you can tailor the gift to the occasion and the recipient. Amazon provides several preset occasions to match the reason you're giving the gift. Browse through these options and select the one that fits your needs best. Choosing the appropriate occasion can help narrow down the available designs and make the gift feel more personalized. Next, you'll notice preset design names available for you to choose from. These designs add a nice visual touch to your gift card, making it feel more thoughtful and tailored to the recipient. Select the design that you think they'll appreciate most. You can take a moment to preview different designs before making your selection. Now it's time to decide on the gift amount. You can choose from the preset amounts Amazon suggests, or if you have a specific number in mind, you can enter a custom amount by typing it into the designated field. This flexibility ensures you can give exactly what you want, whether it's a small gesture or a more generous gift. Simply choose an amount that fits your budget and the occasion. After setting the amount, you'll need to choose your delivery method. You can select between email, shareable link, or text message, depending on what works best for you and the recipient. Each option offers a convenient way to deliver the gift, so choose whichever method your recipient is most likely to receive and use. If you opted for email, the next step is to enter the recipient's email address in the field provided. Make sure to double-check this to ensure your gift reaches the right person. Even a small typo could cause the gift card to be sent to the wrong address. Once that's done, type your gift message in the designated field. This is your chance to add a personal touch, whether it's a birthday wish, a thank you note, or just a thoughtful message to brighten their day. A short personalized message can make your gift feel even more meaningful. Next, click the calendar picker to choose your target date. This feature is particularly useful if you want the gift card to arrive on a specific day, like a birthday or anniversary. Select the date you prefer, and the gift card will be sent automatically on that day. Scheduling delivery in advance also means you won't have to remember to send it later. When you're ready to complete the purchase, click Buy Now in the right panel. This will take you to the payment page where you need to select your payment method from the options linked to your account. Choose the one you want to use for this purchase. If you have multiple payment methods saved, take a quick moment to verify you've selected the correct one before proceeding. Finally, click Place Your Order to finalize everything. Amazon will process your order and send the gift card according to your chosen delivery method and scheduled date. Once your order is complete, you'll typically receive a confirmation showing that your purchase has been successfully placed. And that's it. You've successfully purchased an Amazon gift card for someone else. It's a fast, convenient, and flexible way to give a thoughtful gift while allowing the recipient to choose exactly what they want. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.